Hi everyone, we are going to learn complex number. Complex number is the subtopic of chapter 1 SM015. I am Madam Kang from Kedah Matriculation College. Complex number. Complex number can be written in the form of z equals to a plus bi, where a is the real part and bi is the imaginary part. I equal to square root of -1 or I square equals to -1. Equality of two complex numbers. Let's say we have a plus bi equal to c plus di. A and c represent real parts. Bi and di are imaginary parts. Then we can write down A equal to C and B equal to D, where the real part equal to the real part and imaginary part equal to the imaginary part. Conjugate of a complex number. The complex conjugate of a complex number is the number with an equal real parts and an imaginary parts equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. For the example, we have the complex number 1 plus 4i. The conjugate will be equal 1 minus 4i. The sign in front of the imaginary part change. -5 minus 2i. The conjugate will be equal to -5 plus 2i. If we have -3 plus 7i, then the conjugate will be equal to -3 minus 7i. If we have 10i, only the imaginary part, then the conjugate will be equal to -10i. Addition and subtraction. Let's say we have z1 equal to a plus bi and z2 equals to c plus di. For the addition of a complex number, z1 plus z2, it is equal to a plus c plus with b plus di, where the real part plus with the real part and the imaginary part plus with the imaginary part. Subtraction of a complex number. z1 minus z2. It is equal to a minus c plus with b minus di, where the real part minus the real part, then the imaginary part minus the imaginary part. Multiplication and division of a complex number. For the multiplication of a complex number, we just need to times the constant c into the real part and the imaginary part. Then we will get ac plus bci. For the division of the complex number, let's say we have the complex number a plus bi. It is divided with a constant c. Then we will get a over c plus with b over ci. Complex number in polar form. Complex number can be written as the polar form, that is z equals to r times cos theta plus I sin theta, where r is the modulus of z. The formula is square root of a square plus b square. Theta is the argument of z. The formula is arctangent d over a, where b is the constant from the imaginary part, a is the constant from the real part. Summary of a complex number. Cartesian form, z equals to a plus bi. Polar form, z equals to r times cos theta plus I sin theta. For the modulus, we have the formula square root of a square plus b square, and the argument of a complex number, theta, it is depends on where the theta in. If the theta in the first quadrant, the formula is arctangent b over a. If the theta is in the second quadrant, theta will be equal to arctangent b over a plus pi. If the theta is in the third quadrant, the formula will be equals to arctangent b over a minus pi. If it is in the fourth quadrant, theta will be equal to arctangent b over a. Thank you.